Hey guys, it's Liz. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a quick video getting ready with me. I am on my way to a dinner and I took a last minute trip to Colorado and I got to go hiking and exploring, so I will probably be posting a vlog about it soon. I know I haven't been on YouTube in like over a week and it's kind of crazy to be away, so I wanted to film this quickly and I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for showing love on the previous videos. I already posted a video on the classes I took as a double major in math and CS. I know a lot of you are curious about college life, majoring in computer science, and what's kind of going on with after college life as well. So I'm hoping to post more videos about my college experience and also the process of me getting an apartment for the first time and what moving was like during the pandemic. And I'm really listening to what you guys are commenting, so thanks so much for being so supportive. And yeah, let's just have fun. Let's jump right in, and yeah, thanks so much for watching. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. This is the original one, the very first version they came out with. I'm just using it today because it is easy to travel with. It has a variety of colors for like so many different kinds of things. Whatever you want to do, you can do it with it. I am so happy that I got to reach out to you and figure out what you guys wanted to see on my last YouTube video. So I have done a video where I talked about the courses I took as a CS and math double major, and you guys really like that. I don't know if some of you are gonna start college, or maybe you're thinking about whether you're gonna do online or in person, and maybe that can give you some insight into what college will look like. I kind of had an idea that I wanted to do computer science when I started college, but I never knew what that was going to look like or what programming languages my school was going to use. And I also didn't think I was going to double major, but I was able to do that. And hopefully if you guys think, oh, what if I take a class that doesn't necessarily help me for a specific major, it can still work out. Like, it's really not a huge deal, and you'll be successful. And even if you decide to take online classes, like for the time being, I'm doubtful this is going to last for years and years, so you can still have like a rewarding college experience and something that you can look forward to long term, even if it's not this coming year. But yeah, I was happy to get your feedback. Some of you want me to talk about what it was like freshman year, or just going throughout college, different ups and downs, and things that I learned maybe, so I could film that. I also want to film the process of me applying for an apartment and getting things in order so that I could move in to my first place on my own, and that was kind of a crazy process, and that's also kind of what's been taking up my time this summer, so I could definitely go into that in a video, which would be fun. It's also summer, and I kind of want to do like a summer outfits video because I think that would be fun, even though I'm not going anywhere because of the situation, but that could be fun too. Okay, I'm gonna add, it's kind of hard for me to do this and make sure it's looking good, you know, because I'm looking at you guys, but I'm also trying to not look like a clown with my makeup. So let's see, we'll do, I'm feeling like warm tones. So we'll take this color, why not? Looks harmless, right? Looks fine. We'll put that right here. Kind of blend it. I'm not gonna go particular for this look because we are gonna run out of time. I'm already probably running behind, but that's okay. I think the more you blend, the more it hides your mistakes, which we don't make, but if we were to make them, they will get hidden very easily. That time I picked up this color because I wanted less orange and more brown. So here we are. Just gonna blend it all over, and I'll probably take maybe one more dark color. But I kind of like how this is coming along right now. And this is just a big fluffy brush. I have had this for so long think it's from Sigma because I jumped on the train years ago when Sigma was a big thing. And this is a newer brush from Morphe. It's just like a, kind of like a big pencil brush. And I'm gonna go in with, we'll go with this shade. We'll go with that. Looks good. Gonna focus that on the outer part. Okay. Do the same thing over here. I love that you guys have commented and given me ideas, given me feedback. It's kind of cool to like know more about you and see how many people are interested in CS or what you guys are focusing on now because of online and figuring out getting a job or moving or planning your future career. I know a lot of people have considered doing something that can be easily remote work, and a lot of tech jobs can be remote, so that's definitely an advantage and something that I didn't think about when I was studying, but now I'm very grateful for because of what's been happening. Okay, I'm just gonna blend up here just a little more because you can never blend too much. No, blend more. Yes, we need more blend. More blend, please. Okay. I want a stunner shade. I want something very shiny on as the all over the lid shade. I'm gonna take. Should I do a gold? Should I do red? What should I do? What should I do? This one always looks amazing, but I've used that one too recently. I'll just use the one right beside it because it's like a little bit of a push out of my comfort zone, but nothing too crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna use my finger and try not to get it on my base. So I'm gonna go like this. Oh, that looks, oh, okay. Now I'm gonna make sure I'm doing this right. I'm gonna do it in my little mini mirror right there. Okay. Okay, she can play. Okay. She looks foiled. She looks pretty. Ooh, I like her. And then just because I'm extra, I might put one more color on the center of the lid. Should I do gold? Should I do red? Kind of want to do red. So we're gonna take this color and put that perhaps on like the outer center. Yes. Just add it there. Yes, I like that. And because I'm really extra, I'm probably gonna take the gold and put that in between the two shades. Yes. I'm gonna take this shade here and put it where those two shades meet. Now we can do the lower lash line and we would almost be done with the eyeshadow. So, okay, we're gonna take this flat definer brush to pack on some color, and we'll take probably this shade first. Yes, I want the shade here to have that kind of burnt orange look. So some red, some brown, some orange. This shade has all of that. Okay, I think I'm gonna pack the brown color that was dark on the outer portion. Good, okay. Yep, and on this side. Okay, and now we can use the pencil brush to blend. Ooh, I have a little fleck on my nose. Ooh, how long has that been there? There's a little brush hair on my nose, chilling there. You don't pay rent, you have to leave. Oh, okay, so we are here and we're going like this to blend the colors together. Going like this. This part might not feel that comfortable, but it's worth it in the end. Kind of want it to be more dramatic, So I'm going to take that soft brown color and I'm going to put that kind of everywhere under the lid so that everything can look a little bit more blended. And I'm going to darken out the outer part of the lid because it kind of got lost a little bit when we put all those shimmery shades on. There we go. Because it's nighttime and I want to have dark eye makeup on. That's how I want to be. Okay, I'm going to put more dark color on the lower lash line and then I'm going to stop because I'm just being a little bit too extra right now. Now we can highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. Let me get my little brush. A teeny tiny brush. This one's a teeny tiny brush. And I'm gonna go in with probably the first color because I always use the second color and I need to change things up. We need to like try new things. So she is very, very highlighted. Okay, well, it might not show up on camera, but in real life, it's very, 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 very highlighted. So let's blend that out. We'll blend that out over here because it is so bright. So bright. It's looking a little crazy in person. Looking a little bit crazy, but you know what? I'm going to dinner. And my family accepts me, so here we are. Okay. Okay, now I can do mascara. Woo. I'm still running late. This part, I cannot talk and do this at the same time. The worst thing is when you're brushing mascara and then it accidentally gets all over your eyelid and then it ruins anything that you have on your eyelid. We're hoping we don't do that today. We're not gonna do that today. We are fine. Or you hit your nose, like I just did. So now blush and bronzer, which I don't really own that many, so just taking like the a ColourPop bronzer and just going like this. And then going like this, and then I blend like this. Yes, we blend. What I do is I blend upward, and then I add some over here, because it's summer and I want to be convincing people that I'm tanner than I am, just a little bit. And some blush. Let's see. Again, it's a ColourPop blush. Because I'm all about the eyeshadow. But maybe soon I'll get some more face stuff like blush and bronzer and maybe highlighter. Sometimes highlighter on me just makes me look sweaty. But I can still try it. We can try new things. We are bored. We have time to ourselves. So I will try. I always feel like I should put it on my nose too. Yeah, on my nose. Okay, now last step, we're gonna do a lip color. So I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in Sleepy Eyes. Let's see. I'll probably dab off a lot of it because I want it to be subtle. So it's time for dinner and this is my completed look. Thanks so much for watching. I'm not mad about how it looks right now. I think it looks nice. I think it looks okay.